Hi, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up to be an affiliate in Kartra and how to get your link. So it might be that somebody has asked you to affiliate for their product or their course or their membership. You don't have a Kartra account. This is how you sign up to get your link. So first of all, you want to click on the link that they have sent you. You can see here, this is what you will see, and you click on affiliate sign up. This will give you the affiliate terms and conditions. So just accept those. Those will be different. Those aren't Kartra's terms and conditions. Those will be different for each individual that you are signing up for. If you don't have an account yet, click on free sign up. Then when you come on this screen, you want to enter your details in, create a free account. So it will give you the option to save your password or whatever. And yes, you want to agree to the legal terms and conditions. So become an affiliate. So then it will say to you, your affiliate link is ready. Access your account now to grab it. So you go and you access your account. So this is where you would log in with the information that you have just entered. Click on continue. And you can see here, this is what an affiliate page shows as. This will show as me. And I would sit there and I would click there and I would grab my link there. You will need to make sure you add in payment details. So depending on how people would like you to be paid, different people will give you different options. But if you choose PayPal, that's normally the most popular. Click on Connect PayPal. It will open your PayPal account for you and you can connect all of that so that they can pay you with PayPal. But that's how it's done. Let's cancel that. And that's where you go to get your link. So if you log in again, just go to promotions, go to the product. You can see that Heidi has different products and click on my link. And that will be the link. You just want your affiliate link. And that will be the link there that you use to go and share the page.